You're in jail so stressful, cause you did something bad. And you know you're fucking up cause you're in jail and you want to kill yourself. Yeah, you know you want to get out as soon as possible. But if you don't, you want to die in jail. It sounds like a gunshot shooting outside for no apparent reason. Shootouts in the hood. I'm here at home, hearing all these sounds makes me go crazy. Knowing that my friend's been shot, and that's what you think in your mind. And the killer can run but can't hide. Sounds are deep. I don't know why we got to hear them every week. Cars making big sounds, and you know they are rolling through our neighborhood. The hood is never nothing good, and we hear the sound of the 5-0. You know somebody rolling in a high-speed chase. It's so close to my neighborhood. This situation always happens in the night. You never know that they might crash into your house. Cause the sounds were so deep and loud. What does it sounds in the neighborhood? That what it sounds in the hood. It sounded like a cop at my door. 3 knocks, but you know nobody was there. And I don't do drugs and I wasn't paranoid. But it might have been just a sound. It sounds so harsh. In general, we think that people sleep at night, but some don't. This is a time when they slay somebody. Nothing but a sound, just a little sound. They will get caught up, hearing the sound so close, and you just stay frozen like an ice. You're just there, so still, scared of the sound. I see why we all surrender. And a soldier now gone, 19 right now, doing my own thing. It's hard to give it up. Hearing the sound makes us black out. Forget the sound and just be cool about it. Just be cool about it. And now you know you fucking up in jail doing some dumb time for your hood. And I know you wanna get out, but you just did something bad.